lured, meaning attracted or tempted someone to do something. Synonyms: enticed, tempted, attracted. Example: the thief lured the child with candy to steal her bag. Implicated, meaning shown to be involved in a crime or wrongdoing. Synonyms: involved, connected, associated. Example: several politicians were implicated in the corruption scandal. Loathed, meaning felt intense dislike or hatred for. Synonyms: hated, despised, detested. Example: he loathed the idea of working with dishonest people. Tenacity, meaning determination or persistence in doing something. Synonyms: perseverance, determination, persistence. Example: her tenacity helped her succeed despite many failures. Discredited, meaning damage the reputation or trust of someone. Synonyms: disgraced, defamed, disbelieved. Example: the report discredited the company's leadership. Mutinied, meaning refused to obey orders, especially soldiers or sailors against their officers. Synonyms: rebelled, revolted, resisted. Example: the soldiers mutinied against their commander due to poor conditions. Ostensibly, meaning apparently or seemingly true, but perhaps not actually so. Synonyms: seemingly, apparently, supposedly. Example: he was ostensibly on a business trip, but he went for leisure. Extortion, meaning getting money or something by threat or force. Synonyms: blackmail, coercion, robbery. Example: the gang was arrested for extortion of local shopkeepers. Mercenaries, meaning soldiers who fight for money rather than loyalty. Synonyms: hired soldiers, soldiers for hire, freelancers. Example: the dictator hired mercenaries to suppress the rebellion. Depose, meaning remove someone from office or power. Synonyms: overthrow, remove, dismiss. Example: the military plotted to depose the president. Lionised, meaning treated someone as a celebrity or admired person. Synonyms: celebrated, glorified, admired. Example: the media lionized the actor after his heroic performance. Putsch, meaning a sudden attempt to overthrow a government. Synonyms: coup, revolt, uprising. Example: the military putsch failed within hours. Pillaging, meaning looting or stealing things during war or chaos. Synonyms: looting, plundering, robbing. Example: the invaders were accused of pillaging the city.